So in this question we have to find which of the following is a cationic detergent. So first is cet citramethyl ammonium bromide, second is sodium diadecyl benzene sulfonate, third is sodium lauryl sulfate, and fourth is sodium stearate. So we know that acetyl ammonium bromide is a cationic detergent because its hydrophilic part is quaternary ammonium ion. So correct option is here option first because it has a hydrophilic part which is a major property of cationic detergent. We'll look at the answer. So correct option is option first because it has a hydrophilic part.